Don't mind me, just looking under your truck trying to catalytic converter.
Get out of there.
Yo.
Primal traction. You guys are kicking butt on this. Holy smokes. All right, so for a few moments, I had you off camera, and what I discovered in those moments, just simply unboxing the radio, blew my mind. This FlySky radio is an amazing radio. This isn't what caught my eye, even though this is a pristine piece of engineering. I actually have one of these for my son Morris, who also has a blue Ford F-150. And you guys saw I had a white one that had the same radio. Well, my friends, not just that really good radio, but look at this. This was in the radio box, an entire set of new rubber from Traction Hobby that came, in addition to the tires that it came with, different tread patterns. Are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me? How often have you been given another set of treads, a whole set of tires, when you buy an RC truck? Are you kidding me? Aluminum wheels, guys. It's one thing about the Traction Hobby brand, and with Primal RC, they always know how to do an insane job building a vehicle. I'm going to roll this over because if you haven't seen the rear suspension of this vehicle, you don't know what you are missing. So, 1, 2, 3. Fully underneath, IFS, okay, beautiful skid plate for off-roading, long links, side cantilever suspension with cantilever arms on the inside. They're not vertical, they're horizontal, my friends. We're going to take the body off in a moment and have a look at that, but I wanted to sneak a peek with you. Right there. Right there. There is a fair lead. Hello, Primal RC, with thought given to how pristine and quality a vehicle like this can be. Look at this. Protective coating over your plate. Hallelujah. Oh my goodness. Lights in the intake. Oh my gosh, look at this. The steering is already aluminum. It's already upgraded aluminum. LEDs in the bumper. Oh. All right, let's get this unhooked from the frame so we can have a look underneath. Oh yeah, baby. This is a nice ride. So it definitely has some rear squat the way it's set up right now. But look at this. Let's just make it function for you. Is that incredible? What a beautiful design. I, for one, after being in the game for so long, can appreciate what the heck is being offered in a package like this. Traction RC for me has always been the leader in 8 scale. They just have. They've always been coming to market with innovation. Wow, look at how that bends out on the suspension. If you haven't seen running videos of this on YouTube already, please go and watch right now. This simple unboxing isn't going to be able to show you exactly what this thing can do. They are incredible. Yeah, wow. I'm just like a little speechless and thrilled that it's here. This was in transit for more than, what was it, 30, 45, 50 days. 50 days. Came to my country and then got shipped out by accident. But makes me appreciate it even more now that it's here. So nice. So here I'm going to be able to put a sound kit like the Sense Innovations S Dual. I'm going to be able to mount a winch right there because there's mounting holes for the winch. The locking, the shifting, the 2-wheel drive to 4-wheel drive. Pan hard bar on the rear. Suspension setup. Incredible. So I see the light controller right here. I'm assuming that this is actually a waterproof vehicle. Most of the traction hobby vehicles I've ever run are waterproof. I can't confirm that at the moment. I haven't seen it, but yeah. Okay, fly sky is turned on. A little bit of throttle. Oh, so smooth. That is a long vehicle. It's going to be a great climber, and I'm assuming quite stable because of the width and the length. Very, very nice. Let's go ahead and plug in the body so we can figure a few things out. It does have an interior, and from what I understand, we can peel this tint right off. I did see another video that somebody peeled it off and it was beautiful and clear under there. So am I gonna do that? I don't know yet, but if this turns out to be a fairly half decent FPV rig, maybe I can stick a camera and a gimbal in there and take her for a rip, because I like how it protects the insides of the cabin here. So let's go ahead and attach this. So the radio itself is the FlySky FS G7P Plus, and this supposedly, this button here, is the toggle switch for the lights. Oh, that looks so good. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Love that aggressiveness. Wow. That's actually one of the first Dodge Rams I was truly liking. That's nice. Wow. Okay. Wow, so it's just single buttons I'm having to push, and it takes a second for the light controller to react. That makes a lot of sense. It's so pretty. Holy cow. And then if we're signaling, oh, it wraps around. All right, so if I was to look at diff lock, so this is front diff lock right here, I believe. Yeah, and then rear diff lock if I push on the back. So this right here is the shift transfer case for four-wheel drive, for all-wheel drive, front-wheel drive, and then rear-wheel drive. So in the middle is all-wheel drive. Whew, there's going to be a few things to learn here, but that's actually not too bad. This is going to be the one that shifts into high and low gear. So just turning it, so that should be low gear, and then that should be high gear. Enough chit chat, right? Let's just get to it. Mo, come look at Dad's new truck. It came with an extra set of tires.
Wow.
Feels pretty good. I like this one.
I don't even really know what to say. What the?
Free set of tires. They're different lugs. They're different tread patterns.
Yeah, that makes sense, but still,
Right?
like, shoot.
Look at that. Look, they're a huge difference. I didn't even notice that. You just discovered something. That doesn't make this your truck, does it?
It does.
Well, I just thought I'd gloat. I mean, show you.
What? No.
What?
Dude.
I haven't driven it yet. Did you want to be the first one to drive it?
Okay, well then. You haven't driven it yet.
No. No.
Okay then.
Quite heavy.
Oh wow, how heavy is that thing?
It's so pretty. There you go, try that. Oh, nice. The dial wasn't turned all the way. Go to her. Enjoy.
Be careful so I don't...
Go for an unintended bath time?
Yeah. It's only ever happened like one of our...
It's so nice. Bye, guys. I wish it wasn't so snowy out right now. What are you noticing?
I see that they put a spring the other way. So that they didn't have to have a giant box in the back like the Ford did.
Aha! In the Ford truck, we had a giant box in the back that wasn't actually for storage. It was hiding the spring or the shock towers.
Yep. I guess we gotta do a
What do you think?
Ram versus
The Ford?
now.
Yep.
Yeah.
We should definitely go down to the ocean again and do a nice crawl.
Yeah.
They only got to see an unboxing video today.
Okay, well I guess we gotta do
They're gonna have to.
part 2 then.
Exactly.
Yeah, okay.
Boom, 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 boom. It's just intimidating sitting there.
Oh, it's so heavy. It's so heavy. Is there anything behind it? Feels like there's something. Okay.
This has a motor and ESC combo. There's so much room under there.
Makes it even easier to steal the catalytic converter.